Jayant student, today we are going to discuss the business study MCQ type question in class 12. Our first question, what is distinguish a successful manager from the less successful one is the ability to put in the principle into practice. मीन्स वो क्या डिस्क्राइज करता है एक सक्सेसफुल मैनेजर फ्रॉम द लेस सक्सेसफुल वन इन द एबिलिटी टू पुट द प्रिंसिपल इनटू प्रैक्टिस which aspect of the nature of management is highlighted in the above statement. The options are management as a science, management as an art, management as a profession, management as an intangible force. So according to the statement, the right answer is option B, that is management as an art. The next question, dash provide the rational approach for setting objective and developing appropriate course of action for achieving the predetermined objective. Means वो rational approach for setting objective, developing appropriate course of action for achieving predetermined objective. The options are A, directing, B, staffing, C, planning, D, controlling. The right answer is option C, that is planning. The next question, marketing mix is the set of dash that firm use the pursues its marketing objective in the target market. The right answer is, according to this, the options which are available: productions tools, B, promotional tools, C, marketing tools, D, selling tools. The right answer is C, that is marketing tools. The next question, which level of management is responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization? A, options are A, top level of management, B, middle level of management, C, supervisory level, D, both B and C. Means कौन सा लेवल रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है वेलफेयर एंड सर्वाइवल ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस? द राइट आंसर इज टॉप लेवल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. The next question, name the principle of management which given by Fayol, which when applied would means that the workers and management both honor their commitment without any prejudice towards one another. The A, discipline, B, mental revolution, C, remuneration of employee, D, scalar chain. The right answer is option A, that is a discipline. Now question number 6, a brand or part of the brand that give legal protection is called A, brand mark, B, trademark, C, brand, D, brand name. That is the right answer is option number B, that is trademark. The next question, identify the dimension of the characteristic of management. It is a multi-dimensional which specifies that task of management is to make strength of human resources effective and their weakness is irrelevant toward achieving the organizational objective. The options are A, management of work, B, management of people, C, management of operation, D, management of goal. The right answer is management of people. The 8, dash involve the variety of program designed to promote the protect company image and its indivisible product in the eyes of the public advertisings. The options are A, advertising, B, personal selling, C, publicity, D, public relation. The right answer is option number D, that is public relation. Next question, which type of organizational structure we suggest for the firm which have diversified activities and operates require high degree of specialization? The options are given. So here the right answer is functional structure. The question number 10, change or event cannot be eliminated but they can be anticipate marginal response to the can be developed. It suggests by the following importance of planning. Which type of planning? That is the option number D, planning reduce the risk of uncertainty. Thank you.